AMSOIL Interceptor 100% synthetic two-stroke oil. Excellent for all two-stroke snowmobiles, prevents piston ring and exhaust power valves sticking, exceptional cold temperature fluidity, minus 63 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 53 degrees centigrade pour point. Runs on Freedom limited snowmobile warranty. Use Interceptor synthetic two-stroke oil exclusively in your current model year or newer sled and will cover engine repairs in the unlikely event of any engine breakdown for up to 2 years, 5,000 miles, 8,000 kilometers. Outstanding performance in DFI engines, protects against wear, low smoke and odor, helps prevent plug fouling. Two-stroke snowmobiles are meant to be ridden hard. Repeatedly pushing the machine to wide open throttle during all-day aggressive riding, however, takes its toll on the engine. Interceptor synthetic two-stroke oil is specifically designed for maximum performance in all makes of two-stroke snowmobiles, including Skidoo, Polaris, and Arctic Cat, helping enthusiasts spend more time riding and less performing maintenance. It is compatible with nearly all two-stroke oils, while its low smoke, low odor properties help ensure riders won't be smoked out. Interceptor is engineered to be pushed as hard as the sleds it protects. This is Tim Velk, your authorized AMSOIL dealer. If you want to see a video on Interceptor's data bulletin, check out the link above. Or see video description for more links and info and visit www.syntheticoil.zone.